Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So today I'm going to talk about another pricing method. That's the cost plus markup pricing. So this is a pretty simple concept, right? So what that have so in this scenario, the cost plus markup pricing, a sales rep will often have advantage when it comes to controlling the pricing. Instead of you let the CPQ decides the price for the product. So, for instance, what happens is that sales rep can start the product with the base price, that's the cost price, and then he or she can use the markup or adjust it using a percentage. So, say for instance, if you wanted to buy, say, a computer for, say, a cost price of, so if you want, say, for instance, a sales person wants to sell a computer. So the desktop computer cost price is like $2,000, and the sales rep wants to add 2% markup on top of it. So that's how the cost and markup works. It's pretty simple configuration. You know it's just like few clicks. So yeah, okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to the product. So let's pick up a any product. Um, so so I'll go to the products and say, okay, phone case, right? Just an example. So we have price book $20. So what I'll do, I will go to show all, and there's something called cost, right? I will add new, and I will say the unit cost is say $17. Okay, and then I will scroll down and change the pricing method to cost. Yeah, that's pretty much you have to do. It's pretty simple. Then you go to code, and actually, hang on a second. It's a grain. I will copy this one and then go to code, and I will take this code and edit lines. What I'll do, I will remove all the existing products from the code so that we can start with a clean slate. So I'll just remove this, and I will say delete lines. Okay, add products, and I will do this one. I select it. Okay, so remember so here it shows $20, but when you add it, right, it will give you that $17 because it's coming from the cost price, because you're using the car pricing method as a cost, so it will pick up your cost price. Okay, now if I'm a sales rep, I wanted to add my commission on top of it, so I would say I'll go here, right, this arrow, right arrow, so I'll have a markup. So I will say I wanted to add 10%. So that means 1.7, right, as the commission or as a markup. So I will save it. Okay, sorry. Let me go back. Okay, so you can see 18.70. That's 17 uh, percent. Sorry, 10% of 17. That's 1.7. So it's like 17 plus 1.7. That's 18.7, right? So that's how it works. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Yeah, so we have different pricing methods, right, in CPQ, but the way to use it, it depends on your business requirement and the client requirement, right? So obviously, you have to know if you're a CPQ guy, what are the different pricing method available out of the box, so that if you get a scenario like that, you can say, okay, we can do something this like this, right? Instead of saying how we can go and do custom development. So you don't have to do custom development because it's all out of box functionality. So that's one of the reasons why I'm telling you all these things. And also, it's important from a certification point of view as well. So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover. And I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday. Adios.